What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Chasing Biggins TV. So for whatever ridiculous reason, I've never have tried to catch a smallie. I don't know why. Every time I went bass fishing, I went to a lake and I just try to catch largemouth. That's what I was brought up doing, and just what I've always done. But that all changes today. Because today, we are here at this creek. It's actually only about 5 minutes from my house. Why haven't I done this before? Who knows? I don't know. But anyway, we are here today. And I know they are smallmouth. We're actually pretty close to the Illinois River here. It actually feeds into the river pretty close to here, within a mile or two. And it looks got pretty good current. It's got pretty good depth all the way up here. So you got the creek here. So that's what it looks like. It's not exactly the nicest, clear, clean lake or creek, but they are in here. I actually spooked one or something. I'm not sure if it was a smallie or what it was, but I spooked it right about in there in the middle when I walked down here. I'm hoping to catch a couple coming upstream or whatnot. Hopefully we get lucky here and can catch my first smallie. Stay tuned. Alright guys, that concludes my first night trying to catch a smallmouth. Unfortunately, no luck, as you guys saw. The only thing I caught was that one white bass a while ago upstream here. Mission continues. Hopefully next time, on part 2, I will be successful. What's up, guys? Back down here, same creek that I've been trying. This time we're actually gonna walk the creek though, instead of me just coming down after work and just walking the shoreline wherever I can. Give it a good try and hopefully make today the day that catch my first smallie. Got the boy Oscar here. He came down, was it yesterday?
Yeah, yesterday.
Came down yesterday and he caught one upstream for a little bit here, so hoping for good things. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? So we're back down here trying to catch my first smallmouth again. This ain't the first time I've been down here. I've been down here a couple other times, but unfortunately, here's Chris sitting here, just racked himself trying to get down that hill over there. But we'll leave that out. We'll leave that out. But anyway, so you guys, this is my third time actually hitting this creek here to attempt to catch my first smallmouth. Hopefully third time's a charm. We'll see. We're gonna work upstream here, and I know they're in here, like I've said before. I've seen people catch them. I know they're in here. Hopefully this is it. Hopefully this is the last day of trying. Have you caught a smallmouth before?
I have not.
He's not caught a smallmouth yet either. So we're both gonna go attempt to catch a first smallmouth. I think we could both catch one. So stay tuned. Hopefully you see a couple smallmouth being shown. Oh, I'm hooked up, dude. Yeah, I'm hooked up. It's a smallie. First smallie, bro. Dude, he was fighting hard too. Yeah, my first smallie, guys. Not big by no means, but oh, he's ready to go back. But it's still a big accomplishment for me. I mean, I've been down here, like I said, this is my third time come down here. I literally have not caught a smallie yet. I've been sitting here trying to figure the bait out, trying to figure out where to go. I'm new to this creek fishing stuff, this smallie fishing stuff, but I'm really starting to dig it. Fun stuff. Let me get this guy back. He needs to get back. He's even though he's a smaller guy, he's been out for a little bit. But heck yeah, guys, my first smallie. Right. Oh, there he's right. Oh, okay. God damn it. There you go. There you went, guys.
Beautiful release.
There you went. That didn't really work out as planned. Yeah, that release didn't really go as planned, guys, but first smallie. First, we're gonna go up here upstream and catch a few more. We're starting to figure them out. There's plenty more deep pockets here. It's getting a little dark, but we're gonna catch a few more. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so I'm shooting this outro after I got home. It got dark on us, so I couldn't shoot it there at the creek, but finally happened. Finally caught my first smallie. We definitely put some work into it. It's a new thing to me, creek fishing, first smallmouth, like I said, first smallmouth, first time creek fish like that. So it's definitely a learning curve, but it's starting to catch on, starting to be better. Going to be taking a trip up north here sometime soon, start to try to catch some bigger smallmouth, but it's getting late, as you can see. Catch you guys on the water next time. If you guys like this video, smash that like button. Leave some comments below. Don't forget to subscribe. Never stop chasing the big ones.